Money.
It's for what?
Salam.
It's a counter UAS, high energy laser.
Laser ما شاء الله.
Should the drone?
أيوة.
Yeah.
From here.
Yeah.
First time in.
So
an air show.
we showed it at IDEX, but first time in Dubai.
First time in Dubai.
Yes.
US, huh?
Yes, U.S. U.S. Air Force has 3 of those systems right now, and we're building the 4th one for U.S. Air Force. But yeah, counter drone.
Especially for drone.
Yeah, especially for drone. It has observation. Yeah, it has observation capabilities.
How many kilo?
So about 3 kilometers.
3 كيلومتر. شوفوا شو سوت في الدرون، الليزر طبعا ينزل الدرون على بعد 3 كيلو، 3 كيلومتر ها؟
صحيح.
ما شاء الله.
شغل مع الريثيون اميريتس في ابو ظبي.
ما شاء الله.
بس عندك اي سؤال؟ اتصلنا.
شكرا. ناس توجهنا؟ جاشوا. عبد الكريم.
نايس تو ميت يو.
نايس تو ميت يو. شكرا. ثانك يو. شوفوا كيف الفكرة؟ انه على بعد 3 كيلو ينزل الدرون. One question. One more question. Only like this or big one?
Yeah. So we would say this is a group 1 small up to like medium size.
Like other one like for fight. Other big one.
So not the large ones.
Not large one.
Small and medium.
Small and medium.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This size and this size.
So like kind of the ones that would be maybe about like this. Yeah,
Thank you very much. Thank you. كيف يا جماعة مدرعه خاصة بالدرون هذا.